In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to appeal to YouTube for deleted video recovery if you have the video URL. So you may be an individual or you may be a creator who has multiple YouTube channel or just one channel, and you deleted a YouTube video by mistake or a couple of them. But fortunately, you had the video URL, or you could get the video URL. You could log into your YouTube account and try and see if you could get your URL from there for that specific video or the videos, or you could get to the browser and get the URL for those videos or just one video. What you need to do is connect with YouTube directly and request them to help you out. My friend, let me tell you that in the past, I, by mistake, had deleted, I think, 1 or 2 of my videos. I can't remember exactly, but YouTube was so prompt and helpful in giving me back my videos that I accidentally deleted. Yes, it does take like 1 or 2 days time. Sometimes, I don't know. But for me, it just took like 1 or 2 days, and then I could see those videos back. After that, I got the confidence about the fact that when videos are deleted on your YouTube channel by mistake from your side, then you could go ahead and request a revival of those videos. You could, tell YouTube to help you get it back. So lately, I got to know of 3 methods to get in touch with YouTube to try and get your videos revived or reinstated. So the first thing to do is connect with Google directly via email. Okay, so get to your channel, click on your menu icon, and then click on view channel and get onto this page. All right, once you're here, just scroll down and you're going to see an option, contact us. Click on that option. You're going to be directed to this page. Scroll right down and you're going to see an email address out here. Copy this email address and send YouTube an email directly from your personal email. Okay, that email should be having your YouTube account on it. Okay, so that should be your YouTube email address basically. So send them the link, and in the link you are also going to see the video ID, the last digits. So for instance, if this is a video URL, this is going to be the video ID. So how to send a message? It's very simple. You just open your email inbox and create a new message to send, and then you copy the email out here. Okay, just copy this. All right, paste it out here. Subject should be request to reinstate a deleted video with ID, and whatever ID is there, just copy it and paste it out here. And in the body, what you need to put in is something very straightforward, simple, and a little bit emotional. You could just obviously say the truth. You don't have to lie about anything. Just be frank. Okay, don't lie. All right. So, hi team, how are you? I have by mistake deleted one of my YouTube video, or I have deleted 2 or 3 of my YouTube videos, and I would like to see if I could get that back to my channel. Now, tell them or give them a reason why you want to get it back. The video is very important to me since it had my small daughter in a swimming competition recorded. Like whatever the reason is, I mean, if it is for, maybe your daughter growing up or your son growing up or anniversary for your elder daughter, whatever it is, whatever the reason, okay? Please could you help me in this regard? Video ID is this, video URL, just paste it here and your channel name, awaiting your swift response. Regards, your name, and send it to these guys. The average response time is 24 hours. Sometimes it could be longer if they have too many requests. So I would suggest you be patient. This is the first method to get in touch with YouTube. The second method to get in touch with YouTube, if you are a creator, what you could do is get back to your channel homepage. Once you do that, I want you to go ahead and click on YouTube Studio. You're going to get an option to chat with a live support agent. So you see this icon out here, chat with creator support. Click on that option. You're going to get a pop-up window like this, and you could start chatting with a live support agent. You could tell them the problem and try and get back your video through this method. So here you could click on or select something else, and then you are going to be in queue. When a specialist joins the chat, you could go ahead and start typing your question. Another method to connect with YouTube is creator support or YouTube India or YouTube USA or whatever through Twitter. You could search for their accounts and tweet to them about your issue. Okay, or you could message them out there on social media also. You can get in touch with them and try to speak with the agent to see if they can help them. Or apart from that, you could also get to the community for YouTube and see if you could get help from there. I hope you got some value from my video for today. If you did, give my video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.